welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a store-bought slime kit, but I've already done it, so I'm doing a review. I'm really sorry guys, I did it off camera because I could not wait, and my camera was dead, so I'm just going to be putting some more dye in and doing a little review. So this is a jiggly slime, as mainly as all the slimes store-bought slime kits are. I'm just going to pour it out on this. So that's all it is. I hope you guys can see. Can you see it, guys? Cameras won't work. Right, so this is the slime. It won't work because this is a store-bought jiggly slime. And this actually said put it in the fridge when you've made it. So I was a bit confused, but the fridge actually made it really, really good slime. So I'm going to put more dye in just to make it like really red, because this was supposed to be pink and then I put too much dye in it. But yeah, where's my stick? Okay, well this is a runned out Sharpie. I'm using that. This is my mixing tool as well. I don't know if I should be doing it in the book. I'm going to get another thing to lean on because I don't want to ruin the book out. What could I do? I can do it on this. It might be a bit high up, but that's alright. So this is the slime, and I'm just going to use the end of the thing because it's a red Sharpie. You can't tell if it's mixed in or not. So, and the box is going to go in bin anyway. I was saving it for this video. This is a really stretchy slime. And I made 2 other slimes just by myself, and bought the slime supplies from WH Smith, but just not the activator because they didn't have activator there. But you should recommend to WH Smith in Broadway if you live in Bradford. Because they've got Elmer's glue, Elmer's clear glue, Elmer's white glue, Elmer's glitter glue, and then it comes back to just normal PVA glue, and some paint. One sec guys, some paint and some what else really? And something. What's it called? What's it called, guys? Help me out here. It's like, what's it called? I think it's called Magic Model Clay. So I'm going to show you my other 2 slimes that I made. Not with the slime kit, I just made it. And these supplies were from WH Smith. And this is another jiggly slime, because I love jiggly slime. But I just wish the other one was a normal slime. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like too much jiggly. Like this one, look, watch. So this is, I named this a purple galaxy slime because it's got like You can't really see it, but like little glitters in, pink glitter, and it's really, really cute. So I'm just going to show you my other slime, which is a blue slime. My brother actually made the purple one. We were just switching colours. Because Finley wanted to do the blue one, and Millie, who is me, wanted to do the blue one as well. So we said, why don't you do the purple one, Finn, and I can do the blue one? Because you know the purple one, it is really good. Because we bribe him, you know, like. I'm going to do like a slime smoothie, a mini slime smoothie. Like, not really mini, but like the purple slime. The purple slime looks, because it is a clear slime, but like, look at it, guys. I'll show you. It's actually clear. Off camera it looks really clear, and on camera it kind of looks clear, kind of purple, but off camera it looks really beautiful. So that's that, and I'm just going to roll it into that little piece, like that. And let's get some blue slime. I don't know how this is going to work, because jiggly slime and jiggly slime usually don't mix, so I'm just going to put them on top of each other. Sorry guys, I haven't posted for ages, and I just feel really bad. So I'm mixing it. But the colours will literally not blend. This is mainly turning out purple, so I'm putting it in the purple. Wait, that's actually a really cool colour. Let's mix the purple. This is really greasy, because I put baby oil in it, but it's like really greasy and like really not liking it. So I don't know how to really fix it, but so I'm going back to the slime. This is the slime, because this is a better slime. I think slime kits can be bad or good, and like this one was good. Makes bubbles, like tiny bubbles, when it's in the jar, and it's like really good slime swirls. Because it's jiggly, it just like it moves quick and stuff. But it just doesn't do a good slime swirl really. So this is from Weird Science, and the smell is actually really good. It's strawberry, because it's a jiggly slime. Ow. Wait 1 sec. I was saying, guys, the purple and blue slime is really greasy, so I can't open like little containers like this without breaking my nail. Sorry guys, can't do it. But as I was saying, this slime is a really good slime, and mine looks really similar to the one on the packet. So the one on the packet is like that, and mine looks